Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure both iPhones run iOS 14. 3 or later, and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Sign into iCloud on the iPhone you want to connect, because HomePod settings sync through that Apple ID. Once done, unlock the new iPhone and hold it within 1 meter of the HomePod Mini so the setup prompt can appear. This first step initiates secure pairing and shares preferences like Siri voice recognition. Follow the on-screen prompt. Once the prompt appears on your iPhone, tap to continue and allow the Home app to transfer settings and Wi-Fi credentials to the HomePod Mini. You should enable personal requests and Siri preferences if you want messages and reminders routed to this device. That keeps continuity across devices. When the phone asks, authorize with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so the transfer is secure. After authorization, the HomePod applies the new account's preferences. This is why you must allow the transfer. You finish by checking the Home app to confirm the HomePod Mini appears in the correct room and is linked to the desired Apple ID. Test Siri with a simple command like play music or set a timer to verify voice control and personal requests. If it works, you're done. If not, restart both the HomePod and the iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then retry the transfer. That often clears network or discovery glitches and lets the setup complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.